another full-size item. Okay, I need to take back what I said about those foil packets, okay? In today's video, I'm so excited. We have a beauty box that is under $10, and it's probably one of my favorites for the price. So we have the Walmart beauty box. This is for the summer 2026. This literally just came the other day, and it's like the end of July. It's pretty late in the year for me to get this. Usually I would have already got it like the end of June or something like that. So anywho, I have it on here to tell you because now, it used to be on the sticker, it would tell you like what variation you got and stuff, but it doesn't say that anymore. So I have to look on my account. So this is $8.98 every 3 months. So it's a seasonal box. So you would get the spring, fall, winter, what? Am I saying that right? Summer, fall, winter, spring. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then with tax and stuff comes, it's under $10. I have variated, what do I have? Oh, 26. I remember when I used to get them, I'd get like number 1 or 2, but because it's coming later in the year, I don't know. But anywho, where's my knife? I have not filmed in a couple weeks. If you don't, oh my goodness. If you don't follow my vlog channel, Just Anne's World, I always have in the description box, but I'll pin a comment. I have already shared last month, nope, that's not Akira, that's Aura. Akira down here had surgery. She had complications with it, which she's doing well. But then a couple weeks ago, my daughter got into a car accident. 2 big trucks hit her, and she's fine. Her car's totaled, and that's a whole mess. But anyway, it's always something.
5 minutes later.
Okay. So you always get a little pamphlet, and it says Summertime Beauty Edit. It tells you what's in the box. It does give you prices if it was full size. You usually get at least 1 full size item. And then they have like a little skinny thingy-majiggy. All right, so I'm just going to pull out the first thing that oh my gosh. Okay. This is from Curology. I haven't had anything from this brand in a minute. This is an emergency spot patch. Apply patch to problem spot on clean, dry skin. Wait 6 to 12 hours, then peel off. Repeat daily as needed. So I guess you would put this on and like go to sleep or something. Okay, so for full size, you would get 40 of them, and it would be $9.92. And how many come in here? Oh, this has 20 patches, so this is at least $4.50, if not more. Okay. That is definitely, and see, I thought it was like, oh, you just get 1. Let's open her up and let me see. Okay, so they're tiny. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 20. Okay, so that's good. The next thing we got is a foil packet, and I tell you guys all the time, I just don't like foil packets. So this is from Clairol. Why can't I pronounce it? I know the brand. Nope. Anywho, this brand. Maybe I'm saying it right. This is a Pro Primer Pre-Color Treatment. The only, I just don't like these. You know, it just gets messy, and I don't know. I say this a lot. When beauty boxes first start coming out back in 2016, 2017, this is all you would get in the beauty boxes. Literally, is a whole bunch of foil packets. So they have came a long way. But there is a lot in here, at least for me. You guys know I have very thin hair. This is a fake ponytail. I wear hair fiber. So, like, my hair is so thin, I could probably get, like, 3 uses out of this for me, you know? Full size would be 1 fluid ounce, and it would be $4.47. So this is good. What it says is, before coloring your hair, apply Pro Primer to dry hair, focusing in the mid-lengths to ends. Do not apply to roots. Do not rinse. Color your hair with your favorite shade and show off that fabulous color. Okay, so this is good. I'll definitely get some use out of it. Okay. We have another foil packet here. This is from Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This is in Tahitian Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner, and it's new. Again, I just don't like foil packets, but it's good for me. You know, I'm not complaining. And I get to try this. I don't think I've ever tried Palmer's shampoo and conditioners. It's just the lotion, the cocoa butter lotion. So let me know if you tried this before. I'm going to try this tonight. Full size would be $5.97 for the shampoo and $5.97 for the conditioner. And it's 10.6 fluid ounces for full size. This you get 0.5 fluid ounces. Ooh, what is this? So this is smooth muscles and joints. Okay, I can definitely use this. This is magnesium bath flakes. Pure soaking solution with jojoba for moisturizing. It calms, promotes muscle relaxation and skin hydration. 100% natural magnesium chloride. It has lavender vanilla plus lavender essential oil. Okay, this might be full size. I'm not sure. I think this is full size. It's $2.96, so $3 for 4.5 ounces. What are you? 4.5 ounces. So we have a full size right here, and I'll definitely use this 100%. Okay, I'm happy for this. I think we have another full size item. This is from Maybelline. Is this a mascara? Yes. You know I'm a hashtag natural lash type of girl. I love mascara. I don't wear fake eyelashes. It's because I don't know how to put them on. So, yes. Is this in black? Yeah, black is black. Ooh, I've never tried this. This is the Lash Sensational. I've heard good things about this. Oh. Okay, so full size will be $10.98. I mean, this right here pays for the whole box. Okay, maybe another full-size item. Okay, I need to take back what I said about those foil packets, okay? Look at this, some nice chapstick. I love me some chapstick. You know that. I say that all the time. This is the I Love Summer collection. You get 3 sticks. It looks like you have watermelon. You guys know I love me some. Watermelon is probably... Cantaloupe is my favorite fruit. And then watermelon. I don't know what the other... I think this is peach and pink grapefruit, I think. And this is $3.98. Oh yeah, in the back it tells you what it is. So you have pink lemonade, peaches and cream, and sweet watermelon. Okay, I'm going to open it up because I will definitely be using this. I want to smell what their watermelons. I want to smell what they all smell like. But let me just open up the watermelon. Let's see. Oh, that smells good. Look at that. Look. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, and one more item. So this is from, I can never say this brand. I have been doing YouTube videos on this channel since 2017. And to this day, I'm like a 12-year-old boy. The mind. Every time I say this word. La Roche-Posay. I'm not as bad as I used to be. But it used to just crack me up. La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay. Anyway, let's get beyond that. So this is face and body sunscreen. It is 50 SPF. And this is enough to at least try it. You know what I mean? Like on your nose or your face or your shoulders or something. I don't know. Holy crap. Full size would be $32.97 for 6.7 fluid ounces. And this, I don't know what this says. 15 mLs. This is water resistant, lasts for 80 minutes, but I can tell you, I was born and raised in Jersey, okay? I was born down the shore, okay, by Ocean. I was like 10 minutes away from Ocean City, New Jersey, so always at the beach. I was a beach baby. My mom and dad were born and raised in West Atlantic City, okay? So we're from, and I can tell you for many years, I am 50 years young, I don't think I've ever came across something that's really water resistant, because after a while, especially at the beach and stuff, you know, it starts to come off. So make sure you keep reapplying, even if it says water resistant. But yeah, and there's no way it lasts 80 minutes, even if you're not even in the water. There's just no way because you sweat and all that stuff. But yeah, I used to I never liked wearing sunblock because it used to break me out and stuff, but I wear it now. Yes, I do. So let's recap everything that I got. So I got the mascara, full size. I got the chapstick, full size. I got the magnesium bath flakes, full size. Okay. And then I did get the shampoo and conditioner, which I'm glad they get a shampoo and conditioner. So I'm not knocking that. We got the pimple patches. This is the only thing, because I typically don't break out, but I can give to one of my kids or something like that. And then this I'll definitely use too. I don't like foil packets, but I do dye my hair. And yeah, because I have very thinning hair, I can use this a few times. But somebody that has a lot of thick, I don't know. I don't like foil packets, but and then the sunscreen. And this is enough to try, you know? And that is everything. So for less than $10 every 3 months, I really do like it because you get to try different brands at Walmart. Because some of these things I probably wouldn't purchase myself. Sometimes I found brands like the Monday brand, the shampoo and conditioner, that I didn't even know they had at Walmart. And I really like that brand. So I do find some like brands that I really love from subscription boxes. You know what I mean? So let me know what you got. Like I said, I got variation 26. What variation did you get? Are we box twins? Let me know. All right. Anyway, don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Tomorrow, me and my kids are going to the boardwalk. I'll be vlogging that. We're going to go on the ride. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe over there. And I'm also going to go live when I'm at the boardwalk. I don't know what time. But, yeah. Anyway, I'm getting off of here because I'll keep going. When I don't film for a while, I don't know how to shut my mouth. All right, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys.